how to download and install Tomcat Server, and I will also showing you how to configure it in Eclipse IDE. So let's begin the video. So just open any of your favorite web browser and just type on Google Tomcat download. Tomcat download. Now go to the official website of Apache Tomcat, that is tomcat.apache.org. So click on that. Now go to Tomcat 11. We are going to download the zip file of Tomcat, that is Windows zip, right? So what we are going to do in step 1, we will download the zip file of Tomcat Server. Tomcat zip file. In second step, we will download Eclipse zip file. Third step, we will download JDK latest version, right? So let's download the zip file of Tomcat. So click on Windows zip. Now you can see here downloading is started, right? So now we are going to download the zip file of Eclipse IDE. So just type download Eclipse. Go to the official website of Eclipse IDE, that is eclipse.org. Click on that. Now scroll down and here go to download packages, right? Now you can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE. Now here we will going to download the zip file of this Eclipse IDE, right? So depending upon your operating system, we can download. So I am using Windows 64-bit operating system, so that's why I am going to download this Windows 64. Click on that, right? And just click on download button. Click on download. Now you can see the zip file of Tomcat and Eclipse IDE. So once download is complete, we will going to extract the zip file. So select this zip file, copy that one and go to your drive. So just right click here and create a new folder and give folder name Tomcat 11. Now paste it here. So just right click and extract here. Click on extract here. Now you can see the zip file is unzipped, right? Now let's open another tab and just type download JDK. Hit on enter. go to the official website of JDK, that is oracle.com. Click on that, and now you can see the latest version of JDK, that is JDK 24. So go to Windows and select the installer file. Click on download. Now you can see JDK downloading is started. Now you can see our download is completed, right? So go to download folder, copy Eclipse or cut. I'm going to cut and going to paste in my new folder. I'm going to create new folder, and here I'm give latest Eclipse IDE 2025. Paste it here. Now extract the file. Extract here. Now you can see Eclipse. So double click on that. Now you can see the updated Eclipse IDE. First time it will take time to launch Eclipse IDE. Now let's see how to create desktop shortcut of Eclipse IDE. So go to your folder, right, and double click on that, and here you can see Eclipse application. So select and send to desktop create shortcut. Now close that one. Here you can see Eclipse shortcut is created. So double click on that. Here you can see our Eclipse IDE is launching. Now it's asking to select workspace. So browse that and go to F drive and any of your favorite drive, and select create a new folder and give workspace name like working. Select folder, right? Click on launch. Now here you can see this is the welcome page, right? So close welcome page. Now you can see this is the dark mode. So first we will change this theme color. How we will change? Go to window and select preferences and go to general and see appearance. Now you can see theme is dark. So select light mode, apply and close. Don't restart. Apply and close. Now we have to set runtime environment. How we will set? We need to go to our downloads, and first what we need to do? We need to install this JDK 24. Run as administrator. Now you can see, click on next button, next, next, finish. Now you can see our JDK 24 is installed on the system. Now open our Eclipse IDE and we have to set the environment. How we will set? So go to window and go to preferences, and here what we need to do, type JRE, select installed JRE, select JDK 24. How? Whatever we have installed right now. So how to add that one? So select add and go to standard VM Next, select GRE home. Now, where we have to go? We have to go in C drive, where we have installed our Java. Select Java and select JDK24, right? Select folder. The GRE name is already used, right? We have already did this one, right? So what I need to do? I need to just select that one, right? So you can do by this. Select standard VM. Next, and select directory from here, JDK24, select that folder and click on finish button. By this way you can do, right? I am going to cancel because I have already did this one. So just click on apply button and click on apply and close. Let's set runtime environment, right? So now again go to window and go to preferences. Now out at the server, and here we will go where servers. Go to server, select runtime environments. Here what we need to do? We need to add the server. How? Listen. So just simply click on edit button and select Apache and whatever we have downloaded. We have downloaded the latest version of Apache Tomcat, that is 11. Apache Tomcat 11. Select and click on next button. Now Tomcat installation directory. So browse, and where is Tomcat? I have downloaded in F drive, right? So where is Tomcat 11? Select Tomcat 11, Apache Tomcat 11, select till with here, select folder. Now click on, simply just click on finish button, or you can select workbench default GRE. You can choose which JDK version you want to run in your system. So I'm going to with JDK 24. So let's click on finish button. Now apply and close. Now close the project explorer. Again go to file. Let's create a new dynamic web project. Now again go to window and go show appearance, show view and select servers. No servers are available. Click to create a new. So just click on that. Select Apache. Select Tomcat 11. Here local host name, server host name, localhost, server name Tomcat 11. So we need to keep it by default as it is. So click on finish button. Now you can see Tomcat server at localhost, right? Go to file, go to new and create a new dynamic web project and give project name. I am giving project name like demo, and here just give project name demo and just simply click on finish button. Here you can see our project explorer is hidden. So what we need to do? Go to window and go to show view and select project explorer. Now you can see our project explorer is showing. So demo project we have created. So double click on that. Go to SRC. Go to main. Here you can see web app. right? So select the web and go to new and create a HTML file and give HTML file name. I am going to give file name index.html, index.html, right? So press Ctrl plus plus to increase the text size, right? Now type H2, press Ctrl space bar, enter, give first web app, web project, right?
Now, how to run this demo project? Right click and go to run as and click on run on server, right? So click on that. Now select run on server. So choose an existing server, Tomcat 11. Click on finish button, right? Just simply click on finish button. Now we can see our web project is running on localhost 808, right? First web app.